He's playing. Come on, man! Seriously? What a jerk. He's doing this just because we're here.
No.
What?
Just make your regular face. It's like how stuck you in the eye with a stick.
How's he look? Let's see. How's he look?
That's terrible.
No. Go for that one. Yeah, I kind of like that. Drop the Gatorade. Ready, Isaac? Whoa.
Now what are we doing?
We're gonna move this again up the hill.
Why are we moving it up the hill?
Because I can't make the van out of there. We need to move.
Yeah, you can.
I can't make the van out of here. Okay, here we go. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Well, actually, why don't you do that and I'll hand it to you because you're the master mechanic.
Okay. Here. Take it. Take the base stick. Great. Here comes another truck.
Are you kidding me? It's slowing down too. Everybody is driving by here when we're filming.
Drives.
It's like they're drag racing or something.
So that the oil.
Do these wires even do anything?
Don't ask questions like that right now.
And we're not using the small engine oil, just the regular stuff, and it should be fine for this. Oh, jingle bells, shotgun shells. I don't even know what there's that song is.
Let's keep putting oil in.
Okay. So here we have a quick tip here. If you want to get a job done faster, just get your friends out of here and just do it yourself. Isaac out.
Now Ian is working on the body work.
It's a rig! It's a rig, a bags, a bags, a rigs.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you filming?
I'm filming.
Oh no.